Today I'm with J.Watson and they're ploughing today. This is the second one of his tractors I've actually seen today. It's a New Holland T7 235 BluePower. A very nice looking machine. It's got a 5 fuddle Cavelin plough on the back. And Gary's the driver today. I seem to be having good luck with getting J.Watson's equipment and stuff going today. So I'll see what else I can find, maybe a different contractor for a bit of a change. So that's him coming back down now. So that's my way back up. So it's a 16 plate New Holland T7.235 and it's J.Watson's. And there you go. 16 plate, sorry I'm a bit shaky. I'll get him when he comes down and it should be good. So it's a nice New Holland. I quite like the look of it. I like the BluePower kind of colour. But I think now I will head away and I will see what else I can find to film.